Good morning. Doing our number corner for today. Let's review a little bit of what we learned yesterday. We know that we have 4 different color leaves. We have red, we have green, we have yellow, we have brown. We know that red leaves point up. We know that green leaves point to the right. We know that yellow leaves point down. And we know that brown leaves point to the left. We started with 1 leaf, then we had 2 leaves, then we had 3 leaves, then we had 4 leaves, then we had 5 leaves. And yesterday on the 19th, we had 5 leaves, we had yellow, so that means yellow was pointing down. So today, as we look at our number for today, let's see if we can figure out what number it will be, because it's going to change today. So we had 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Do you know what number that's going to be? Think about it. We're going to ask. We're going to check it in just a second. We had yellow yesterday, so let's look at our pattern. Red, green, yellow, brown. Oh, do you know what color it's going to be? We had yellow yesterday. What color will it be today? What number and what color? And if we know what color, what direction will it be pointing? Are you ready? Do you think you know the number? Do you think you know the color? Do you think you know the direction? Let's see. Did you say 20? If you said 20, you're correct. And if you said brown, you were also correct. And we know brown leaves point to the right. So boys and girls, our number for today is 20. Our pattern, red, green, yellow, brown, stayed with our pattern, and we had 5 leaves. I wonder if there'll be 5 tomorrow. What do you think, yes or no? All right, so let's look. So we know it's October. Our month is October. Oh, we didn't do the days of the week. Yesterday was Monday. So let's see what today is. Sunday, Monday. Did you say Tuesday? It is Tuesday. So we know it's Tuesday. We know it's October. We know it's the 20th. And everything followed our pattern. Now yesterday, I read you a poem about our leaves. So let's listen to our poem and see if you can hear the pattern and the colors, excuse me, and listen for our words we're learning. Red, green, yellow, brown. Look at the leaves as they come down. Red, green, yellow, brown. Do you hear the pattern? The leaves are blowing all through town. Red, green, yellow, brown. The wind lifts them up, sets them down. To the left and to the right. The wind and the leaves are a pretty sight. Did you hear the pattern? Red, green, yellow, brown. I'll bet you did. I bet you heard our pattern. All right, I have to turn the camera a little bit so that you can see everything. So hang on just a second so you can see everything. Now, yesterday in our number corner, we were learning about our numbers and we were learning about our chain. Now, we've talked about 10 frame a little bit, but I want you to look very carefully at the 10 frame up here. And I need to color in the circles. I'll do that tomorrow. I couldn't find a really good red marker. But every top row, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every top row is 5. So if you see that top row filled up, how many is it? 5, you're correct. Now the bottom row is a different color. They're blue. And again, I need to find a better blue marker. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 in there. That's why it's called a 10 frame. So this 10 frame is completely filled up. So we know there are 10. And here's another 10 frame. Now remember, this matches our days, or how many days we've been in school. So 10, 20, 30, and yesterday, if you can see it, oh, I'll have to move the camera just a minute. Yesterday, we wrote the number 33. I'll show it to you in just a second. So we had 33 days of school, and there's 1, 2, 3. Now look, our chain matches. The first 5 are red, just like on our 10 frame, and the second 5 are blue, just like on our 10 frame. They are always going to match. So we have 1 row, that's 10. We have 2 rows, that's 20. We have 3 rows, that's 30. Now I know we didn't do that yesterday, so we need to add 1 red link because yesterday we were at 33. Okay, so we have had 33 days of school, but we need to add 1 for today. So let's get a red link for today and put it on. Ooh, now can you think about, I had 33. I had 33. My number was 33. And I'm going to turn the camera again so you can see my chart over here where I wrote 33. 33, a 3 and a 3. So if today would be the next number, 33, what's the next number going to be? 31, 32, 33. Did you say 34? You were right if you said 34. Now, what will 34 look like? 34. If 33 has a 3 and a 3, what will 34 look like? Did you say 3 and 4? If you did, you're correct. 34. So boys and girls, you are 34 days smarter in kindergarten and you're getting closer to first grade. So we have had 34 days of school. We have 34 on our 10 frame. We have 34 here, and we have 34 here in our chains. They will always match so that you learn those numbers. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoy Number Corner tomorrow. We're going to be adding more and more things to Number Corner to help you get even smarter. Have a great Tuesday.